Hey everybody, this is Larry, this is me going with Q2 of the weekly contest 342, some multiples. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, let me know what you think about this problem. So the key thing to note about this problem is that I don't know why it's on here, but the key thing is that n is equal to 1,000, right? Or the biggest n is 1,000. Of course, if you just do a for loop of 1,000, you can get this done pretty quickly, and a lot of people did. And that's what I did here. So I do want to expand a little bit just in case you want to do a little bit more. And then the idea, let's say you have 10 to the 9, right? And it's actually kind of, I don't know, Leetcode is just being weird. Because even if it's 10 to the 9, you can actually solve this one given that it's only 3, 5, or 7 pretty quickly. Because the thing that you would do is you would look up something, well, I mean, not look up, but you would learn something called inclusion, exclusion, and basically you just count the number of things that are divisible by 3, count number of things that are divisible by 5, count number of things that are divisible by 7, right? So these are the same as what we do here, but the thing is that if you, and of course given some big n, this is just going to be n over 3, roughly speaking, rounding errors, you could thank me or whatever, but something like that, right? But then the problem here is that, let's say if you have 15, well, this double counts it, right? Because 15 is a number of 3, and a number of n is divisible by 5 as well. So you have to do this, that you're double adding this, so then now you have to subtract out n divided by 15, right? So count divided by 15, so n over 15, and then do the same logic with 3 times 7, which is 21, right? And also the last one, 35, which is 5 times 7, right? So then now you basically, what we have right now is n over 3 plus n over 5 plus n over 7 minus n over 15 minus n over 21 minus n over 35. And of course, this actually, we're subtracting out too much because there is a number that could be used all 3, right? 3, 5, and 7. What's 3 times 5 times 7 is 105, right? So then now, because we subtracted that out, because if you have 100 multiples of 105, this gets subtracted out. Well, it gets added in these 3 places, and then it gets subtracted out in all 3 places again, so you have to add it back in. So you add n over 105, and this would be roughly your answer. Maybe like there's an off by 1 or something, and you have to be careful at home, but that's the way that you would do it if you were given it n is equal to some big enough number, right? And everything else is kind of cheap to do it. But of course we didn't do it this way because n is 1,000. Do it for a loop in the contest, did it in less than a minute, and that's it. Let me know what you think. You could watch me solve it live in the contest next, but it really is just me writing in this for loop. Feel free to do it anyway. If you have questions, let me know in the comments, and you could watch me solve it live now. Or 7. Okay. Did this go? Okay, this is good. Okay, good. This is like ugly numbers or something like this, but also it's just 10 to the 3rd, so this is a little bit silly. You can actually do this much smarter, maybe with a counter or something, but I'm not going to think about it. But today's contest is just such a mess in terms of running, so we'll see. All right, let's take a look at Q3 real quick, maybe. Oh, wait, 2140. All right, well, it is what it is. No, find the beauty of each subarray of size k. Okay, the beauty is the x smallest integer in the subarray if it's negative, or 0 if there are fewer than x negative integers. Okay, so that was good. This is a very weird content. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this problem, this contest, everything in between. And yeah, stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see you later. Take care. Bye bye.